Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start the next work, I have to remind you one thing. Yesterday you wrote image properties of this image. So this image is inverted, smaller than the object. Real image, can fold it on screen. I could see these four properties written by most of the children. It's okay. But one important thing it is, in when I was writing this particular image properties, I always write the image distance. How many of you wrote the image distance? You have not written the image distance there. So please complete of yesterday's work the image distance. It is very, very important. Okay, you know how to write it. I will not tell you how to write it. Okay, and what is the title you can give for yesterday's diagram? It is object located, when the object is located at a object distance greater than twice of the focal length. F is focal length and C is twice of the focal length. Yesterday you placed the object at a distance greater than twice of the focal length. And today's diagram is very, very sensitive diagram. Okay, so in it we are going to place the object on the C. We are going to place the object on C, correctly on C. Very sharpness, high sharpness is important for this diagram. Otherwise you will not get the correct picture. Okay, exact mean exact. Otherwise this particular diagram will not give you the correct location. So first of all, I am taking the light ray from the top of the object parallel to the principal axis. So all the time, especially for this diagram, I have to be very careful. This line correctly touches the optical axis, and from there I have to pull it through the focal point. It should be correctly through the mid of the focal point, not a single drop up, not a single drop down. That much there should be accuracy. Accuracy is present, only the diagram will be more perfect. See how much it is accurate. Okay, that accuracy is very, very important. And now I am going to take this light ray further. Again testing, is it accurate? Little, no, I can adjust it. Okay, now accurate. So that is the first line. Let me draw the arrows here, arrow here, arrow here, arrow here. Okay. Second thing, yesterday I sent the second light ray through C, but today the problem is the object is on C. because the object is on C, there's no point of sending the light ray from through the C. For example, now if I start here, it will go this way through the C. So no point. It will not touch the optical axis in any distance. So I am choosing this light ray. The light ray passing through the optical, through the focal point. Okay, the light ray is passing through the focal point. As both the lines are black in color, better I make one to the, because I have already adjusted the black line. So this time also is black mean little, see, it's not coinciding. The light ray should coincide perfectly. So I am taking the light ray. Still, there is a small portion to coincide. Okay, now perfect. So again, now testing the location here. Right? In that case, also it has gone little more. So I will take this one. To this level. Now I have to be very accurate. This node should be on the optical axis. Accuracy is very, very important. So from there, I am going to take the horizontal line. Is going to be a horizontal line. That is going to meet the other line here. So those two together are going to form an image in the meeting place in this manner. I will take this one out. These two images, if you draw them perfectly, will be equal in size. They will be equal in size. So don't forget to draw the arrows here. You have to draw the arrow here. Here the arrow. Here the arrow. So this is going to be your today's diagram. Carefully draw it. Both the ones, image and object, should be in the same line. If you are not getting the same line, that means your measurements might be wrong, your lines might not be straight. Carefully draw it. Keep the accuracy, you will get the perfect diagram. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.